If you're a man and you find this video very funny or blame the girl for anything, you are obviously a problem. And in this 2026, if you're a guy, if you're mad, if you're a babe, come here, as a sane person, and a sooner window in na plan, ki yes we enter, we rape you. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus, and I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, a girl called a guy man, Nebuye, not a strange person, not a total strange person. Nebuye Binayad, Juena Acho, Korepoya. Watch this video.
Of sexual assault just now. Nefem. I went to my family's house. Sitting at my house, but to keep my bag and go to main market. Just for me to keep my bag. Then my neighbor's son knocked at my door. This boy knocked at my door. Well, since I want to go out, let me lock my door and carry everything I want to use and go out, and I will now meet him at the step. No, I may check my first door. Then for me to attend the door that he's not knocking at, I open the door up on a step. Instead, I just shift to that I'm going out. Later from clients week, I'm not happy that I want to go to the market. With my key, I was now fixing at key my door. Let me close my door because I put my door. Like issue. Before now, this boy mirroring my key. He was like, where am I going? What did I say? I was like, give me my key now. Let me lock my door. Before I knew it, this boy started, touching me. I was like hitting the boy, like leave me alone. Before I knew, this boy carried me to their room because you were therefore the door to their house is open too. He carried me to his mother's room. God, I beg. This boy wanted to kill me. For now, he was strangling me. I was not shouting for help. I was shouting, help, help. There is a rapist here. There is a rapist here. Even as I was shouting, I was like, leave me alone, let me go. He was still holding me till the mother, but I got that one at the house. This boy, let's see, man. Yeah, you when you get raped. Yeah. Go there, babe. You can't control his sexual job. Homework, what you do, whole body. On my body, like, you wanna say that I'm in pain? Like, I'm in pain because I was struggling with him. Boy, I will drag this boy. The people, one of my earrings in their house. At least evidence. I'm in serious pain, like on my body. Then I'm dragging my own body. Then I'm dragging my own body with another full-grown human being that is forcing himself to have access to my body. So this country is filled like this to the extent that women anyways access to their own body. From my own house. I was screaming for help. Oh, few people. I'll never buy from somebody that.
You can imagine a young girl in this day and age. A guy man, Nebuye is not a strange person. He's not somebody that was stalking her. Somebody that is living in the same compound with her is attempting to force himself on this girl. And people are now blaming the girl that she was able to capture videos of trying to open the door, trying to video the guy, but she was not able to video the whole thing. I don't understand. Are you thinking from your bum? Anyway, let me divert into what I'm saying in this video, okay? Because this is the reason why, as a young girl, you don't need to stay alone. Because it's fine to look for something to do with your life, but Biko, as a single girl, do not stay alone. Do not stay alone, because on a lot of things. I know you want to dependent, you want to be the classy woman and the classy babe and the working class person, but living alone as a single girl in this country, no, because you never know who is watching you. You can imagine a 2026 can never more natural rape Nebuye 2026. Secondly, when I call, if I'm not that guy by that time of the day, he wouldn't have be thinking of forcing himself on the girl, because they even say that idle mind is a devil's workshop. You have to be busy. What are you doing in the house as a young person by 1 o'clock, by 12 o'clock in the afternoon? What are you doing in the house? Probably you're 25. What are you doing in the house? You should be looking for doing something with your life, because once you are idle, a lot of thoughts will be coming in your head. Even ụfọdụ ndị arụ adị zero. Ọ na-watch that girls. Na-achọsọ somebody girl ya bata ndị mmadụ anọrọ o wee mee ihe ọchị ime. This is one of it. So you need to be busy with your life. You need to be busy. How can a young person just be idle, just on merely from one place to other? Na onye ya first. I was na this girl amichala onwe obuko ka esi wee lie the girl. The trauma of being raped because okay, look at now if you see the comment section, you will say, oh, why are you blaming this girl for telling her real stories? Na January 2026 na mother she rape ye. He blame the girl. Why would you a video everything? Why? Mother isi de mwa anya de mwa na blame a babe because no one. Onwe kekita case this girl's were the rough where below that guy. Oji bulu ko bona this girl the wicked. Akoba alko. But all action nebute reaction. Number 4, Biko, please, as a single person, as a single girl, go and stay with a family. Family reunion is very, very important, because abuna this girl no with a family member, or no be with auntie or one of ndibefa. This thing, meme. No good no. Even that guy self, abuna be with umunnefa. Mande tete mande lele. Haya no. Oma boti anuche, because before me of ife mwada abata. Somebody will walk in. However you feel about this video, leave it on the comment section. Obo na ebu nwoke na blame a babe na mmadụ chi rape ye. Ine blame the girl. I don't know why these people are doing like this. Obo no one negi iye nwekwa the same energy. Obo no one your sister, would you have the same energy that you say you are blaming the girl? Why would you blame a girl for telling her stories? Why? Why would you blame somebody for telling her stories? Something like this. Never, not even a strange person, not even somebody from outside, a neighbor in the same compound. That's how derogatory the society has become. In 2020, somebody can think or force themselves on a young girl. The girl, if this guy had succeeded impregnating this girl, what will be the girl's fate? That's why a lot of women are suffering. A lot of girls are suffering in the hands of men. They change their ideology about women. Comment section will show you how ideology of some people are. People have not changed their ideology when it comes to women. This guy was able to rape this girl and get her pregnant. Somebody will still blame the girl for allowing herself to get pregnant. I'm telling you. However you feel on the comment section about this thing, leave it on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Palava, you need a finish. Thank you for watching. Peace out.